In this video, we're going to learn how to do this. And if you have any questions, feel free to drop a comment down below.
Here's how to fix message notification sound on your iPhone. Begin by locating the physical switch on the side of your iPhone. It's a small toggle button. Make sure it is switched towards the front of your iPhone. Then open the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap on Notifications. Scroll down and locate messages in the list of apps. Make sure the toggle switch next to Allow Notifications is turned on. Tap on Sounds to access the sound settings for message notifications. If it's currently set to none, select a different sound from the available options. Thank you for watching.